Hey guys, it is Sunday morning. It's Brad with BOLO Pickers. Today's video is going to be about what sold and what we bought this weekend while we were on a trip. So stay tuned. Alright guys, today's video is a little different. I'm going to show you the 4 items that we had sold yesterday on eBay. We had 4 of them that sold. I'm going to show those to you as a what sold, and then I'm going to show you what we bought while we were on a small anniversary trip this weekend. So my wife Angela and I are celebrating 3 years of marriage in just a couple of days. We took a trip, a little 2-day trip to southern Indiana, and we actually sourced while we were down there. We love Goodwill shopping. We love just going into small Walmarts and different things of where to find stuff. So let's go ahead and get started with what sold, and then we'll show you what we found. Alright, so 4 sales yesterday. Not a great Saturday for us, but again, whenever you're getting sales, so you try not to be too upset about that. We had a board game that sold, and it was actually in, we had it in a lot, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to find this because I don't know if we pulled it or where, I honestly just don't know where it's at. We had to redo the listing. My wife did this. I'll show you. It's called Hostile Intent. This is the game right here. We had found 3 of them, and we put them in a lot together for eBay, and we had them up for like $27.99 plus shipping. We had somebody message us, ask if we would consider doing a cheaper price and breaking it up. My wife said yes. We charged $12.49 with free shipping. So I can't show it to you right now because I honestly don't know where it's at. And since she did the listing while we were on the road, it honestly, when it got relisted, it didn't get the spot. So no big deal there. We'll find it. She'll find that when she goes to ship it tomorrow. The next is a women's Reebok bra. We sold this for $11 plus shipping. This was a return from Amazon. Not quite sure why it came back. Still had the tags on it. It's in BS1A4. So BS1A4, it's right here. As you can see, it still has the tags on it. That person's getting a great deal. We just got Amazon just kicked us off of this listing. Not quite sure why that happened, but we went ahead and sold it to get some of our money back and reinvest it into things that are going to get our money back as quick as we can. The next item up is a silver on copper butler tray, and this actually came out of the trash. If you guys saw our video on the trash box, this beat up old thing was in there. I wasn't even going to list it. My wife listed it. We got $10 plus $15 shipping. It's pretty heavy. We'll probably make a little bit of money on the shipping as well, but she went ahead and got that sold. So that box profit, I think, is up in the couple hundreds, and it was just a free box along the side of the road that we bought, or that we didn't buy. We just picked up, and then we sold off of it. So box 10 has a new in box open box Ozobot, whatever the heck that is. I bought this at Goodwill. Right here is what it looks like. I bought this at Goodwill for, I want to say we paid $4.99 for this. It's an open box, but it's brand new. We opened it up, looked at it, never been used. And you basically draw on paper, and this little robot will follow it around. This sold for $30 with free shipping. Probably going to cost us about $8 to $10 to ship that out. So those are the 4 items that we sold yesterday. Like I said, not a super great day. So as I alluded to in the beginning of this video, my wife Angela and I took a trip to southern Indiana, and while we were there, we went to Walmart, some Goodwills, we went to an antique shop. We like to do all of these things when we're on vacations. Caught a whole bunch of big fish in a private pond right next to our cabin. We had a super fun time. The best part is the whole trip got paid for with what we sourced while we were out on the road, and I want to show you guys that today. All right, so first things first, we're going to start with what we found at Goodwill. Some of the better things that you should always be on the lookout for. The Game Pro, this is 1977 Pro. At Goodwill, we paid $1.99 for this. If it's complete on Amazon in collectible condition, it sells anywhere from $40 to $70. So we always look for those. This is a Alltech radio, and we actually tested it at the cabin, and it works really well. It's got a little bit of some muck and dirt on there, but we're going to clean that up. This I paid $4.99 for as well, and this sells for about 35 bucks. I may keep it, I don't know. It's pretty nice. I was walking through, found this shirt at Goodwill, and I just thought it was cool. If it would have been my size, I probably would have kept it. And if you recognize that, then you like musicals. This is from Hamilton in Chicago. So it's a shirt that you could only get if you saw Hamilton in Chicago. This we paid $1.99 for, and these sell for about 30 bucks on eBay. This is a parrot and pirate mug. Paid 69 cents for it. That sells for about 15 plus ship. Got this cool bag of remotes. That top remote right there that you're seeing, the Toshiba, makes us about 10 bucks. We paid $3 for the whole set, and there's 6 remotes in there. So that little remote pack is probably worth about $40 at a minimum profit. So we're gonna make quite a bit on those. Pretty excited to find those. A lot of the Goodwills we went to didn't have a whole lot of stuff. They were pretty thin and bare, but you know, they'll get back into it. Always, always, always be on the lookout for Disney puzzles. This is a Buffalo Games, which Buffalo is highly sought after by puzzle builders. I know because I build puzzles, and they're some of the best brands that you can get. That's one of them. Disney is always collectible. This right here, there's no one selling it. It's 99 cents on Amazon, and I go to Amazon with the Disney puzzles because they're always worth more. I bet that we get $30 to $40 out of this puzzle. Wise and Otherwise is another game you should be on the lookout for because it sells very well on Amazon. We paid $4.95 for this at an antique shop. Believe it or not, it was in an antique shop. Not quite sure why. It's missing one die. So the dice, you know, is a single. It's missing that. We'll put that in there to replace it. And this usually sells between $50 and $100. And we've sold this multiple times, so I know it's going to sell. So a great find there. Super excited to find that. We also stopped at a few yard sales. This was at one yard sale that I picked up. It was $1. It's a brand new Coca-Cola hat. It's pretty, I can't find one just like it, but regular Coca-Cola hats that are brand new sell for about 20 bucks. So I think we're going to get 20 or 25 out of that and paid $1 for it. This was at another garage sale. And whenever I'm at garage sales, I always look for video games. Resident Evil, The Umbrella Chronicles, and The House of the Dead 2 and 3, both for the Wii. Both not in terrible condition. I'm going to clean them with our disc cleaner. But both of these, I paid $2 a piece for them because I just asked them, you know, how much do you want for the games? I figured they're going to go like $5 a piece, and I was going to see if I could get them 5 or less. 2 a piece, $4. We're going to sell these on Amazon as used, and one of them goes for $20. So we're going to make about 13, 14 bucks there, and another one sells for about $40, so we're going to make closer to 30. So a great find at that garage sale. We also went to Walmart, like I said, and I'm going to show you the Walmart last, and then we went to Half Price Books, and there's an outlet down where we went, and I found this puzzle 3D. It's Thomas Kincaid. It's still sealed, and as you can see, we paid $3.99 for it. These sell for about $30 on eBay. The box is a little bit warped, but I think we're still going to get the $30 out of it. So a fun find there. The best find of the weekend would go to my wife, Angela. This is a Sylvia Browne book collection. We paid $4.99 at the outlet for it, and this is selling for over $100 on Amazon. So that right there paid for majority of our trip. Like I said, all of the sourcing that we did will easily pay for our trip and some. All right, on to Walmart. Anytime you're in a small town that has a Walmart, a super Walmart, go to it. Go to the clearance section. There's a lot of stuff on clearance that doesn't get moved, and they mark it way down. I'm getting ready to show you some of the stuff that we found that was marked way down. First up, these little toys right here. These are $1 a piece, and I know from experience with Happy Places, these are Shopkins. All of these will sell for about 10 or 12 bucks on Amazon. They're a little bit slow moving, but you'll easily make 5 or 6 bucks on these through Amazon FBA. Even if they sit in the warehouse and ship before Christmas, still going to make quite a bit of money there. This is a Creo soap, I don't know how you say it, sweeping log, the CSL log. These were all $1. They're pretty heavy, but we're going to sell these on eBay, and they sell for a minimum of $15 a piece. So we'll probably lot these up. The truck repair back here is $25. It's brand new. We're going to send that into Amazon, and on Amazon they sell for over $60. So we're gonna make about 20 bucks off of that. Then we've got this toy my wife found. This was $5, selling on Amazon for $25. So a good find there. Found some Anchor sound buds Rise. Sometimes you can have issues with Anchor on Amazon, but these were $10 a piece, and as you can see, they normally sell for $40. Nobody's selling them on Amazon right now, so we'll probably send those in, list them for about 50 bucks and make our money there. Here's another one. This was $20. These are loud and clear. Even on, and this is where it's beneficial to be Amazon and eBay. Even on eBay, these are selling for about $60. So a good find there as well. Old printer ink, used to be $35, is on sale for $5. We'll send these into Amazon and sell these for about 25 to 30 bucks a piece. So great money there. Here's a filter. We are blocked on Amazon from selling these. It's a GE filter. Paid $10 for these, and or for this one right here, and they sell for about 37 to 45 on eBay with free ship. So good money there. This is another item we're going to sell on eBay. We paid $25 for this, and these sell for about 75 on eBay, and we got 2 of those. And last but not least, we got these items that are in the dollar range. These are $1.50. I think a 2-pack of these sells for $29.99. So we got 6 of them there. And then the Scaraway, these sell for about $15. We paid $1 a piece for them. And Moderna, a 2-pack of these, which will cost us $3 because they're $1.50 each. 2-pack of these sell for about $29.99. So overall, a great sourcing day, and it's just another lesson in the world of sourcing. You should always be sourcing when you're traveling. When you're traveling, you're also looking at places that you're not familiar with, so you'll stumble across more stuff that you would normally pass by. But a fantastic trip for us. We had a great time. We got to do what we love, which is sourcing on the road. Did a little bit of what we call travel-trage, which means we found the stuff as we were traveling, and it's going to pay our trip off and more. So we're super excited about it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with questions or comments. We always love seeing them. And until next time, guys, always be sourcing. We'll talk to you soon.